Hi everyone, what's up? And you're here on my channel, JGV, short for Jofet Villaflor. And thank you for checking this out because I'm gonna show you how to buy on UBuy. And most of you are asking, does this UBuy support this country? I mean, do they deliver on this country? And how do you purchase on their products? What's the process? Okay, so I'm gonna make a quick video on how to buy on UBuy. Okay, so as you can see here in my screen, so first we're going to start on google.com. We're going to search for ubuy.com. okay, and click on the ubuy.com, and here you can see a list of the countries available, and you want to search for your country. For example, I'm gonna search Philippines. Okay, Philippines, and there you have it, the Philippines. Click it. This is because of you, Nikita Paul. Thank you for asking that video, and this will be our example product. Okay, this Rimmel Stay Matte Foundation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to create an account first. Okay, so let's go to the sign in. So normally, if you have a Google account, it will be much easier. Okay, and wait up. Okay, create an account. Okay, so okay, what I'm gonna do is to create an account first. Okay, we have here your first name. We're gonna go here, Jofet Villaflor, and I have this email, JGV Stream. Basically, that's my shortcut for my YouTube channel. Just have to search it, JGV Stream, and password. Okay, maybe I'm gonna do some password like QWERTY1234. QWERTY1234. Gender male. Oh, it's hot here. Sorry. Date of birth, let's try 01 1 2000, year 2000. Okay, agreed terms and conditions, and I'm not a robot. Submit. So normally it will ask for you to verify your email. So what I'm gonna do is to verify my email. I'm gonna create a new tab and go to access my gmail.com. Okay, UBuy, you got a confirmation from email address. Okay, thank you. Your email has been verified successfully. So next, we're going to search that Rimmel Lasting Matte Foundation. Okay, I can't believe I'm looking at the makeup products. Okay, I just can't believe it. But for the purpose of this video, okay, I'm going to try to add some of this makeup in my cart. Add to cart. Okay. Again, we're going to add another one. Okay. Let's try to check it out. Okay, as you can see, we have here the two products and the subtotal of 1,106 pesos. Okay, we're now going to proceed on our checkout. My strategy on every time I visit e-commerce websites is like I'm going to add some products on my cart, and like for example, I'm going to check if that products can be delivered on my country. Okay, here we are going to include our shipping information. Like for example, we have this first name, last name, the contact number of your phone. It depends on your area code actually. So you have your city and you have your house number, street number. Basically the address. Okay. So now we're going to put my name. Okay. So I'm going to censor some of my details because some of the details here are, of course, my personal details. Okay. So now we're going to press continue. Oh, so hot. Now, as you can see, we have here the shipping method. Okay. As you can see, we have here the Super Express and the non-Super Express. Normally, the good thing about this UBuy is that they have this custom broker. That custom broker is the one that is responsible for taking care of the importing of the products. Basically, you're paying for the customs brokerage service. For example, I'm going to press this non-Super Express, which costs additional 1,260.96 pesos. And now we're going to select our payment options. So what we have is the PayPal or either of the two, Visa or MasterCard. So we're going to put our card here. Okay, we have sample cards here, expiration date, and then there you go. After this, you are about to place an order, and then don't you worry about the shipping processing because UBuy is really updating you. As far as my experience is concerned, I've already bought 2 items from them, and those items are kind of expensive. Like for example, they cost around $1,000 or $800. Okay. And in peso, it's like 40,000 pesos, 50,000 pesos. They were using the DHL as their courier. As far as I can remember, I haven't experienced other courier like FedEx or EMS. And the DHL is a very good courier, okay? After you put your credit card here, and there you go. You are placing your order successfully. Of course, make sure that your credit card or debit card has funds. Now, if you're using your mobile phones and you want to shop on UBuy, make sure that you have already downloaded the UBuy application. Just search it on your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store and search for UBuy. For me, I've already downloaded it, so I can just open it. And there's your loading. First, UBuy is asking for my country. As you can see, these are the countries that UBuy supports for delivery. And I'm currently looking for my country, which is Philippines. And I'll just submit it. Okay, and it's just a quick tip here. Okay, we should skip it. Now, let's just try to search for product. Rimmel Matte Foundation. Okay, I have here the products. As you can see, the price are already converted into my country's currency, which is Philippine peso. And I'll just choose one of these. Okay, I'll try to add this to my cart. There you have it. We already have it on our cart. And let's try to check it out. As you can see, UBuy is asking for our credentials, so let's use our newly created account, which is under jgvstream@gmail.com. Okay. The good thing about having an account on UBuy is because you can track your orders progress and you have the history of your orders. If you check out using a guest account, well, you can just track your order by your email because UBuy will just email your mailbox for the updates of your order. Unlike if you have an account in UBuy, you can simply check your orders history and check the progress of your deliveries. So let's put our email here. Okay, our password is QWERTY1234. Do you want to save this ID for Touch ID? No for this time. Okay, no thanks. Oh, the other two products are already added into my cart. Okay, so let's try to proceed to checkout. Again, it's asking for the shipping information. You can just have a dummy. Okay, looking at these details, I guess we're good. And let's just press the continue. And let's try to select the non-super express, which is a bit cheaper. Then here are the important note for your shipping. And let's continue. And now it's asking for our payment options, so we can choose either PayPal or MasterCard or Visa. And again, after you do this, you are placing your order and you're ready to go. There you have it, how to buy on UBuy. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like the video. Press the notifications and you subscribe on my channel. And I hope you are staying at your home, and please stay safe because of this COVID-19. And thank you again. God bless you.